Welcome back, everyone. In our last video, we discussed the launch timeline and specifications of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A36. Today, we're going to focus on its camera capabilities and design changes that make this phone stand out in the mid-range market. Let's start with what many consider one of the most important aspects of a smartphone, the camera. The Galaxy A36 is expected to feature a triple rear camera setup. A 50-megapixel main camera, which should deliver excellent detail and clarity. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group shots. A 5-megapixel macro camera, allowing you to get up close and personal with your subjects. Reports also suggest that there will be an upgraded selfie shooter designed to rival flagship models. This means you can expect high-quality selfies that look great on social media. Now let's talk about design. Previous leaks hint at a slightly refreshed look for the Galaxy A36. One of the rumored changes includes a redesigned camera module surrounding the rear sensors. This updated design not only enhances aesthetics but also improves functionality. The overall build is expected to feature flat frames and a modern key island design, making it visually appealing while remaining comfortable to hold. With these impressive camera capabilities and stylish design changes, the Galaxy A36 looks like it will be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. In our next video, we'll discuss pricing expectations and availability in different regions, including whether it will launch in the US. What do you think about these camera features? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.